In 1963, Dr. Lejeune first described cri du chat syndrome in the medical literature. In French, cri du chat translates into cry of the cat. It's a rare genetic disorder in which the baby possesses a distinctive cry and resembles the mewing of a cat. This is also known as 5p or 5p- syndrome because in this rare genetic disorder, a variable portion of the short arm of chromosome 5 is missing or deleted. The symptoms vary from case to case, depending upon the affected area of short arm of chromosome 5. But the common symptoms are high-pitched, cat-like cry present only during the first few weeks of life, low birth weight, growth deficiencies, diminished muscle tone or hypotonia, microcephaly, round or plump face, psychomotor and intellectual disabilities, broad nasal bridge, widely spaced eyes or hypertelorism, downwardly slanting eyelid folds, palpebral fissures, apicanthal folds, low set ears, small jaw, or micrognathia, short phaleron, cleft palate, cleft lip. And this is how a baby affected by 5p syndrome sounds like. Unfortunately, there is no proper cure of cri du chat syndrome, but therapies can decrease the risk of death in early life.